Well, this is our first time on a HoverCraft. This is not just our first time, but first time to India, like never before. It's a different experience altogether on high seas. It's an adventure in itself. I've made it through along with my all these kids. They really had a great time. They've seen the taste of seas. Starting something like this in Vizag, the HoverCraft project itself will take it to next level.
इस बार हम लोग ऋषिकोंडा बीच में HoverCraft ने इसी का मज़ा लिया है। इसमें हमको बहुत मज़ा आया। फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा इंजॉयमेंट था, है ना। हम रायपुर से छत्तीसगढ़ से आए थे, तो हमको फर्स्ट टाइम का अच्छा तजुर्बा मिला इसमें।
ఈ బోట్లో ఆ రైడ్ చాలా బాగుంది. వాటర్ ఆ వేవ్స్ వచ్చాయి. బోట్ అటు ఇటు కదిలితే మా మీద వాటర్ పడింది. మళ్ళీ ఎక్క